In this video, I will tell you something very real. Why I couldn't speak English before? You may also facing the same problem. You understand the English, you know some words, but when it comes to speak, you stop. So this was exactly my situation. I had so many ideas in my mind, but I couldn't express them in English. Whenever I tried to speak, I just started translating everything in my mind from Hindi to English. It took too much time. I felt slow, nervous, hesitate, and sometimes I stayed silent because I felt that people would judge me or laugh at my mistakes. I understand now one important thing, that the problem is not English. The problem is our habit of overthinking, our habit of waiting to be perfect, our habit of translating everything. But now I have decided that I am starting learning English again, even if I am making mistakes. I will not wait to be perfect because the mistakes are the part of a learning, right? Whenever you make mistake, it means you are learning something. In fact, mistakes are the proof that you are trying right now. So I have decided to learn English. Actually, this channel is not about to be perfect English. This channel is about to learn real English that we use in our daily life. So if you want to grow yourself, if you want to learn English speaking, so watch my all videos. These videos will really help you to improve your English level. I will share with you everything that I will learn every day. Even if I learn 5 word meanings, I will share with you. If I improve a little, I will share my progress also. So before ending this video, I will tell you, let me tell you for 5 words that I am learning today. The first word is implement. It means apply. For example, I have made a plan today and I will apply it by tomorrow. The second word is persist. Persist means to be continue even you are feeling difficulty. For example, you must persist learning English even you're facing so many challenges. The third word is, it is emphasize. Emphasize means to give importance. For example, I emphasize to while learning English, you should speak more. Fourth word is convey. Convey means express. For example, you are in a meeting and you conveyed your points smartly. How are these words? If you like these words, just like this video. I will share every day that I'm learning every day. I will share everything that I'm going to learn every day. So we will improve together. You and me, we will both improve together. And always keep remember, you have to be dedicated, consistent for learning anything. If you want to become fluent English speaker, you need to be consistent and you need to be confident to speak in public. Don't think that you are speaking incorrect, because mistakes are the part of the success. Every mistake will take you toward the success. So believe in yourself. Always think you are on the right way. Always think whatever you are learning, whatever you are doing, it is correct. But you need to be confident while speaking. So what will you do from today? You will always speak. Start from simple sentences every day. When you will get confident, start making a complete topic and speak on that topic.